Hey, what's going on guys? Ryan back here at DetailKing.com, and today we'll be overviewing an all new product, Detail King's Effective Spray Compound. Our Effective Spray Compound was designed specifically to save time and ultimately money when working through the steps of the paint correction process. Now, this product has a formula that is body shop safe and very user friendly. This product is effective at removing heavy stains, swirl marks, buffer halos, heavy imperfections, and up to 1,000 grit sanding scratches. Now, Effective Spray Compound comes in either pint or quart-sized bottles and also comes with a high-quality sprayer head. Effective Spray Compound can be used with any combination of your favorite polisher and compound cutting pad. Today, we'll be using the Rupes LHR Mark III Random Orbital Polisher and a coarse blue microfiber cutting pad. Before we begin compounding, let's discuss a little bit why a spray compound might be superior. Also, with proper application, you save a lot of product in the long run. A few sprays in comparison to 4 pea-sized drops every few passes adds up over time, and in the long run will also save you money. So since this product is a liquid, there is no need to prime your pad. All you have to do is simply spritz once or twice on the pad, and it's primed and you're ready to compound. The process for compounding is the same as any other type of compounding. We're gonna work in about a 2 foot by 2 foot section. After the product's applied, we're gonna first put it on our hood on speed setting 1. And we're gonna slowly spread out the product. Now we'll bump it up to speed setting 5 or 5.5 and begin compounding. After about 2 full passes paint correcting in a crosshatch pattern, the product will start to diminish, and this is where we're going to buff off the residue and reveal the finish. Okay guys, so that's an overview of our all new Effective Spray Compound. To get any of the products you saw used in this video, they're linked in the description below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you look at our Facebook and Instagram pages to stay up to date on everything Detail King. And don't forget to visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.